This is a lineup of garlic I planted, I think 2 years ago already. And it overwintered twice without me picking it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ones that are the best and replant them into a traditional roll. I don't know. This is probably enough right here. This looks like a nice batch here too. So does that one. That's got some speckler ones in it. And this one here is meant to be the thickest here. Yeah, I think that's a nice one there. I think the real little ones I'll go ahead and I'll eat those. These bigger ones I'll replant them. That's the idea. I've been eating garlic all day today raw. It's a nice flavor in your mouth. These are all smaller. That's okay, we'll eat them. Ah, there's a bigger one. So these I think were in the shade more. They're smaller. Even yet. Got one batch out here. It doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah, nice one there. These I'm going to plant in the garden. I think I'm going to sort these a second time and just replant some in here. It'll be for maybe 2 or 3 years from now. There's nothing really here. I got cornelian cherry here right alongside of me. And there's kiwis here to the south. There's a rhubarb in here. I'm going to have to put something else in here. Take up the space, and right now it's garlic. Chives right here, right next to it. Okay. And these are for eating, and now I'm going to find a spot in the garden for these so we can watch them close. Let's go find a spot. There's a point of a 10-foot bed that I've got planted with peach tree seedlings. This area hasn't any. I dug them out and gave some to a friend. I've got some 11-month-old compost here. I'm going to go ahead and top dress with compost. There's probably plenty of compost on here already from prior years, but we're going to add some because we got it. What the heck is that? It might be a leaf. Oh, there's a worm right there. Look at that. Him living there. Here's our garlics. I'm going to try to space it out here a little bit. We'll just start planting right here, right in the front. We'll get it on the slope. Hold her together. That'll be a nice presentation. Garlic around the perimeter and get some radishes in here. Another little worm. Lots of little worms in that compost pile. Let's go find some radish seeds. I'm going to put in these little carrots. I think they're like 50 dares. We're supposed to get a snow tomorrow and lots of rain. Perfect time to sow some carrot seeds. These are really small seeds, and I'm going to do it thick. They don't last very long in terms of storing seeds for carrots. So I'm just going to use them all up right here. I already planted some. This will be my second planting of them. Oh, I got lots of seeds, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them all up. You're really not supposed to bury carrot seeds very deep. I'm going to rough this up just a little bit because the birds are probably going to start picking at them. There's a lot of seeds, so I'm expecting some of them to make it. That's pretty cool right there, I think. See, I don't have any straw here. All I got is this kind of, oh, here's a little bit of straw. Let's just put a little bit on here. If we get a heavy rain, that'll help to break the impact. I also got some small peas. I'm going to go ahead and sow some peas in amongst these peach seedlings. These are also like 50-day peas. They don't grow tall. By the time these peach seedlings want to start growing, we'll have harvested some peas out of the deal. Make double use of the bed, and then when I do harvest the peas after the plant had died back, I'll leave the roots in there because the roots will have nitrogen. That should help these peach seedlings. Okay. Hopefully that gives me a few handfuls of peas to eat. What a nice day. Alright, I'll give you an idea how I'm cleaning these little garlics. So you got that root, you got that little outer shell there. I'm just taking my fingernail and beating out the root, and off comes that little shell. Yeah. Pretty simple. I can clean these garlics in less time than it takes you to drink a beer. So that one won't come off, so I gotta take it off. And all I have to do is chop them up and serve them with my eggs for breakfast tomorrow. I've been actually eating these raw all day. This is my first batch today that I've taken. Pretty soon they're going to get hard and mushy, and you got to eat all you can now. Look at that nice little dainty thing, eh? Come on, let's focus here. Let's get this in there. There we go. That's why Mother Nature gave you fingernails. almost done. Then you'll see the nice pile I got built here of garlic. Nice flavored vegetable. It's really healthy for you. But these are all roots. I'll add that in the compost. This is my take right here. Get my initial rinse and rainwater here. And there they are. Look at that. Isn't that something nice, huh?